Hey y'all, welcome back to Chris Walks Anyway. I just got out of the shower. I'm letting my hair naturally air dry because I'm not taking a blow dryer on my Camino. So I want to see what I'm going to be dealing with. But then I realized I have not shown y'all my backpack and what I decided to go with. So here we go. I'm not sure it's the smartest choice, but we leave tomorrow, so it's what I'm going with. I went with the Osprey Tempest 20. And what I love about this backpack, number one, it's small. And that's why I'm questioning myself. It's actually too small, but I'm making it work. But it is called an extended fit. So for us plus size girls, it's got a much longer belt, because when I tried on backpacks, the pocket was half the size and it was way back here, and then the strap started here. So my pockets would be all the way in the back. It wasn't usable. So let me show you what it looks like on, which I think it was in our last video. Oh, that was on Corn Dog Caravan channel. But look. This can extend out really big, really big. But I need it here. And where it sits. So I can get to the pockets really easily. And it comes all the way around. It's padded. It sits on my hips perfectly. And it's super comfortable. Super comfortable. So I'm happy. I'm happy with the fit. And remember, when you're going to get fitted for a backpack, because the first time we went, people kept saying it's adjustable, it's adjustable. Well, yeah, all backpacks are adjustable. I could get them to fit. That was not a problem. I couldn't get them to fit comfortably. So we went to another store and I saw this bag and saw that it had a label on it that said woman's and then extended fit. Actually, I think I still have, here it is. I still have the label. Looks like this. It's a women's fit and the extended fit to optimize performance for larger bodies. So anyway, look for extended fit. Don't just take that it's adjustable. It's not gonna feel right. So anyway, this is my backpack. I'm super happy with it. It's got a small pocket on the top, very small. I've already got some things in there. And then it's got one large, pocket, the main one. And then inside, it has an inside pocket with a key clip. And then on the outside, if you're a biker, you've got a place for your helmet. And then this outer pocket opens up and it's stretchy and it's air. It's, what would you call it? Breathable. I got my husband behind the camera telling me what to say. And then there's two water bottle pockets. Lots of little doodads to help you hang things. You can tighten or loosen your water bottle compartment. And then, as I already showed you, the belt has two very good sized pockets. And then there's, I'm not sure what this is for, babe. Do you know what this is? It's just another pocket.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it's got those straps on the side. You can also secure your trekking poles if you're carrying them.
You can?
Mm-hmm.
Where? Show the peeps. Oh, like.
Yeah, all these on the side.
Oh, is that what those are for?
Uh-huh. And it tightens the...
Oh, okay. Okay. Where does the tips go?
We're getting our trekking poles in St. John.
Yeah, we're good. So anyway, guys, that is the Tempest 20 Osprey. If I could do it all over again, I tried on the REI. Do you remember the name of it?
That orange bag.
It's an orange bag. The color was horrible. An REI, I think it was
like a
35 liter, 35 or 38 liter. They had it in a extended fit that I actually liked better than this, but we really wanted to go small. So,
and the bag was heavier too.
It was still a better bag. So check out the REI.
And look
It's a
online because
35
the
liter.
stores don't stock everything.
But a lot of
Unless you're like at the flagship store in
Yeah.
Seattle.
Well, Jacksonville had it, Orlando had it.
But several stores
So,
didn't.
but anyway.
Yeah.
Check out REI. REI is really good at fitting you as well. And
And some better than others.
oh yeah, yeah.
Flagstaff was awesome.
Flagstaff was good. And the guy, oh, that was Flagstaff.
And in
That was
South
Flagstaff.
Utah.
Yeah.
Or Logan, I think.
So anyway, that's my backpack. I'm going to stop talking now. We will see you. Oh, hold on. What do we need to do?
Close it up.
I'm doing it. You messed me up. I was
No.
closing it up.
Close it up.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Close it up.
Okay. We're leaving tomorrow. And that's all I have to say about that. If you want to join us on the journey and actually see how it performs, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Share with your friends. Leave me a comment. A nice one. Buen Camino. We'll see you on the way.